Yes, welcome back to Miriam. And then Dr. Kumarana is a PhD astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert, wellness and lifestyle consultant as well. He's traveled all over the world and today is there to assist you. അപ്പം നേരിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാം 0529611333 is the number to call and ask നിങ്ങളുടെ ജ്യോതിഷപരമായുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാം ഡോക്ടർ ഇന്ന് ഉത്തരം നൽകുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Doctor, shall we go to another SMS?
Okay.
Alright, before that we have a caller with us.
Very good.
Hello, നമസ്കാരം മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
ഹലോ
യെസ്, ആരാ ഇത് പേര് പറയൂ?
എൻ്റെ പേര് ദേവിക.
ഓക്കെ ദേവിക, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ദേവികയെ കുറിച്ചാണോ?
അതെ അതെ എന്നെ കുറിച്ചാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
11th April
ഓക്കെ
1986.
1986. ഓക്കെ, ടൈം
1:05 AM.
ഓക്കെ, എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
കൊച്ചിൻ.
ഓക്കെ, എന്താ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
ജോബിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാനൊരു 1.5 years ആയിട്ട് ബ്രേക്ക് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നു ആഫ്റ്റർ ഡെലിവറി.
ഓക്കെ,
പിന്നെ ഇപ്പൊ ജോബ് സെർച്ച് ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പൊ ഒന്നും ശരിയാവുന്നില്ല.
Okay, she was on break for 1.5 years. Before that, she was working. Then she took a break after her baby was born. So past 1.5 years, she's at home. So now she's looking out for a job, and she's not able to find a
suitable job.
Like to know about that.
Okay, you are Mesh Rashi and Bari Nakshatra.
Yes.
Yeah. And okay, you have Ardha Shani going on, and it just started in November 2014.
Okay.
Yes, it will finish in October 2017.
Okay.
And you got Chava Dosham also. Have you done the necessary prayers for your Chava Dosha?
No.
No? I think you should do it, because the placement of the Chava, is not very, very favorable in your chart. It's in the first house. So you should do the necessary prayers, otherwise you will not get proper success. Your birth number 2, life path number is 3, and when you total up it is 5. So you should go for the prosperity pendant number 5, which will dilute the negative effects of all the planets. One. Second thing, the dasha which you are going on is now is Chandrama dasha, moon dasha, and that will last up till you can say September 2020.
Okay.
I think you have to do some remedies regarding the same, because the dasha is okay. One thing is the necessary prayers to be done for Chova, and the second thing is your Ardha Shani, which will finish in 2017. But until then only you can say in 2017 only you will get a job of your choice. But in between that, in the second half there's a possibility of getting a job, which you have to just keep on going through it about it. I will advise you some remedies. If you wish to do it. You can go for the yellow quartz crystal. Yellow quartz crystal.
What is it?
A yellow quartz crystal.
Crystal.
Yes. In the ring format you can go for it. You can go for the prosperity pendant number 5 I told you. Okay, keep a small piece of square silver in your purse.
Square silver.
Yeah, a small piece of square silver in your purse. Okay, do not accept any electrical goods. Do not accept any white things as gift. Okay, and at night you should avoid white rice, white milk, yogurt, lassi and radish mulangi.
Okay.
Every Wednesday.
Anything in white.
Sorry.
Anything in white I should avoid.
Yes. And even idli, but medu vada is okay. And even I would advise you should take bath on every Wednesday with neem leaves. You know neem leaves?
Neem leaves. Okay.
Neem leaves, yes. And whenever possible, you should just you can say sponsor somebody's pilgrimage tour. Yeah, pilgrimage tour, sponsor it. I think you will get lot of good wishes and blessings from them. So that would, I think, get a comfortable and job of your choice. Basically, job satisfaction. Okay. Anything else?
Till October 2017, there is no chance for me to get a job.
No, before that you will get a job. I tell you, second half of this year you are likely to get a job, but not as per 100% satisfaction. But you can adjust it and do it. Yes. But in 2017, yes, I can see a good break. A good opportunity in January or February 2017.
Okay, okay.
But provided you do these remedies, huh?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, do this. I think sincerely. Sometime you get before that also. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yes, bye bye. Well, doctor, we'll go to another mail that's come. It's from
Okay.
Anil.
Okay.
Its date of birth is 12/2/1971.
12/02/1971.
Time is morning 7:10.
0710.
Yes, born in Kerala, Puram Nakshatram. He would like to know about his present financial status and health. He's working as a salesperson and he would like to know what remedies he should be doing.
Okay, he's a Simha Rashi.
Okay.
And the nakshatra is Puram nakshatra, correct. And Simha Rashi, again I will tell you, Ardha Shani is going on, Ardha Shani is going on again for 2.5 years, that is up till October 2017. And okay, he's birth number 3, life path number is 5, and the dasha which is going on is Rahu dasha,
Okay.
which is started in September 2006. It will last up till 2024. So he has a struggle, I will tell you, up till 2024.
Okay.
Until he does some remedies. Health problem can be digestion problem, acidity problem, or obesity problem. You can have those things. And regarding career will be up and down. The graph will go up and down until I think 2024. But if you do some special remedies for the same, you can get little more better results. I will advise you can go for Rahu beads mala, which is 27 beads. Wear it only while doing meditation. Then you can also go for a prosperity pendant number 3. Then all the electrical goods, please do not accept it as gift from anybody. And you can keep a fish aquarium in the north area of your living room. Plus you should avoid full black color. Brown is very good for you. And always avoid 4 and 8 number. 4 is Rahu, 8 is Shani number. You should always avoid that. And plus I will advise you can just pour water on at least 7 trees daily. Take any 7 trees, just pour water on them. That would give you very good results. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor. We have a caller with us now. Hello, Namaskaram. Miriyathiലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
ഹലോ നമസ്കാരം, എന്റെ പേര് ലത.
ലത, ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ പറ്റി തന്നെയാണ്.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. എന്നാ ജനിച്ച ഡേറ്റ് പറയൂ. September 10th.
Yeah, 1971.
Okay. Time?
Between 2 and 2:30 a.m.
Okay, between 2 and 2:30 a.m. Okay, and place എവിടെയാ?
കേരള.
Okay. 10/09/1971.
Yes.
Yeah,
Friday.
1971.
Okay.
Friday.
എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
ജനറൽ ആയിട്ട് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ട് ഇപ്പത്തെ സമയം.
Okay, her general
Okay.
present life.
Okay, you are Mesham Rashi and Kartika Nakshatra.
Yeah.
Born on Friday. Okay,
Yeah.
you have Ardha Shani going on again from last year November, and it will finish in October 2017.
Okay.
You have got Chavadosham also. Have you done the necessary prayers for Chavadosham?
No.
No, please do it, because you will start getting obstacles always in your life.
Okay.
Because in your chart, Chava and Rahu are sitting together. So you will
Okay.
also have health problem. You will feel weak, or you will feel quite lethargic. Do you feel sometime weak?
Yeah, that is true.
That is true, correct. And are you putting on weight, if you don't mind?
Yes, I am.
So see, as I told you, obesity can be problem, and even you can get some joints problem also in future. Joints or
Okay.
backache problem. So try to first control the weight. Do this Chavadosham
Okay.
prayers in your native place, necessary prayers.
Okay.
Your birth number 1, life path number 1. Your birth number 1,
Okay.
the first 2 letters, and if you total up the everything, all the date, month and year, again it is number 1.
Yes.
This is very rare. You should go for the prosperity pendant in gold, a Navratna prosperity pendant number 1 in gold.
Okay.
You are basically an authoritative figure where you wouldn't like to work under somebody. You would like to have lot of subordinates, which is not happening.
Yeah, but
Correct?
I'm not working anywhere right now.
Yeah, you are not working, but usually that is the authoritical figure of number 1. You know, they would be
Oh,
like
okay.
self-dependent or self-employed.
Yeah, okay.
Don't worry, I am birth number 1. That is why.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the dasha which you are going on is Guru Vyam dasha. That is good, very good. But as I told you,
Okay.
The Shani is there, and the Guru Vyam
Okay.
dasha is up till December 2027. So up till 2027, I think you have very very good period. But what is your
Okay.
question now again? It was general.
Generally, I want to know. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, see, you can also work. I know you are not working, it's okay, housewife, but you can also work. You have the capabilities of working. Maybe due to the
Okay.
circumstances, you wouldn't like to work. Okay, I would
Okay.
advise you should drink lot of water early morning. As you get up from the bed, at least you should drink 1 or 2 glasses of water.
Okay.
Okay, and you can also go for a yellow color quartz crystal.
Okay.
Prosperity pendant number in gold, I have told you, number 1.
Okay, one more thing I wanted to ask you, like I'm wearing a diamond ring now. Is it okay to wear in this dasha?
1 minute. Okay, if you want to know about the gemstone, what you should wear, I will tell you. Okay, no, diamond you should not wear.
Okay.
As an ornament, it is okay sometimes,
Yeah.
but if you want to know about a gemstone, I would guide you. You can go for the emerald stone, Margadam. Emerald stone
Okay.
in your right hand, little finger in gold.
Okay.
And even you can go for the Neelam stone, blue sapphire, but that is you have to test it for 3 days and then wear it.
Okay.
We usually advise people to test it for 3 days, 72 hours. We have to see what
Okay.
favorable or unfavorable things have happened in the last 3 days, and then only we will judge it. You should go for it or no. But Emerald Margadam, yes, that will really help you, and that will really help you in your even what you say, your health issues also.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, the dasha is Guru dasha, Vyam dasha, fine. And I would advise you on every Thursday, if you can keep a fast, it is very good. Saturday and Thursday,
Okay.
you should be vegetarian. On Thursday,
Yeah, I'm a vegetarian on Thursdays, Thursday and Saturday.
you're already vegetarian on Thursdays. Very good.
Yes.
I
yes.
think I got this intuition.
Oh,
Okay, Thursday, do not give loan to anybody. Avoid charity
Okay.
also on Thursday.
Okay.
Avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, avoid shampoo.
On Thursday?
Yes. And
Okay.
avoid washing machine also on Thursday. Do not wash clothes at home.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and eat something yellow on Thursday.
Okay.
Because of Guru Dasha, yellow, yellow dal or anything, make something yellow.
Okay.
Okay, and even make something sweet, on Thursday
Oh,
for yourself
Okay.
and for the house. And
Okay.
preferably if it is yellow color, it is good, like yellow shira or something, whatever you can make. I think if you make this
Okay.
good, your life will be very, very comfortable.
Oh, okay.
Okay, happy?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks a lot
Thank you so much.
for calling. Bye bye. Alright, doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
Yes.
Okay, it's from Ashok. His date of birth is 3/3/1987.
03/03/1987.
Yes.
Yes.
Time is 3:45. It's
PM.
not mentioned if it's AM or PM.
No, I cannot take it.
Okay, yes. So he's
Or
not
if you
mentioned.
want as per numerology, I can just do it.
Okay,
Or
before
go
that we
for
have a caller. Yes.
Okay, then we can go for
Hello,
caller.
good afternoon.
ഹലോ ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഇത് ലിനിയാണേ
ആ, ലിനി ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്റെ മകനെ അറിയേണ്ടത്
ആ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയുമോ എൻ്റെ?
24th November 1990.
19?
എന്റെ മകനെ കുറിച്ച്
ടിവിയുടെ വോളിയം കുറച്ചിട്ട് ഫോണിൽ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കൂ.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ
24th November 1990 ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടില്ല അത്.
1995
ഓക്കെ. ടൈം?
മോർണിംഗ് 3 to 7:40 in between.
Sorry.
7:30 to 35.
ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടില്ല, ഒന്നുകൂടെ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമോ സമയം?
7:30 to
Okay.
7:45.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ 7:30 to 7:45. ഓക്കെ. എവിടെ ജനിച്ച മോന്?
മോൻ ആക്ച്വലി നോർത്തിലാണ് ജനിച്ചത്, റോൾക്കല ഒറീസയിലാണ് ജനിച്ചത്.
ഒറീസ.
Orissa.
ഓക്കെ. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ മോനെ കുറിച്ച്?
അവനിപ്പം ഡിഗ്രി പഠിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഫ്രം ദ ബർത്ത് ഹി ഈസ് ലൈക്ക് അണ്ടർ വെയിറ്റ്.
ആഹാ. ഓക്കെ.
അപ്പൊ ഇപ്പോഴും സെയിം കൺസിസ്റ്റൻസിയാ. ഹി ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഇംപ്രൂവിംഗ് ഹിസ് ഹെൽത്ത് ദോ ഹി ഈസ് 20 years old.
ഓക്കെ. സ്റ്റിൽ ഈസ് അണ്ടർ വെയിറ്റ് അല്ലേ?
യാ So
Okay.
I want your advice, doctor.
Okay. So you want remedies to put on weight?
No, for
Yeah.
her son, yeah.
Yeah, for a son to
yeah,
put on
since
weight.
birth he's been underweight.
He's been underweight. Okay.
So
Okay,
health-wise and
was-
his,
yeah,
future
was-
and his studies and
Okay.
all this. I
Yes.
want to know.
He's Vrishik Rashi,
Okay.
and the nakshatra is Trikita.
Cricket. Yeah, right.
Yes, Trikita.
Okay.
And okay, he got Kantaka Shani going on from 15/11/11
Okay.
to January 2020.
Oh.
Yes.
All right.
And he got
What are the
Sarpado.
remedies for that?
I will tell you the remedies for the Kantaka Shani. First, I will read the chart. He got Sarpadosham also. Have you done the necessary prayers in your native place for Sarpadosham?
No.
Please do it immediately.
Okay.
Whenever you are going,
Regarding
you should. Yes.
this, Christians, what we have to do?
Okay. Then what you can do, you can send the Jatakam to somebody and they will also do it.
Okay.
Yeah, that is possible. Okay. Basically, it is Sarpadosham is something maybe our ancestors, sometime by mistake, for self protection, they were living in villages, and they have killed a snake. Very simple.
Okay.
Because in olden times in villages, these things were possible for self defense, not deliberately, for self defense.
Alright.
They have done it. Okay, his birth number 6, life path number is 5. He should go for the prosperity Navratna pendant number 5.
Okay.
Okay. And the dasha which is going on is Shukram dasha. Shukram dasha is okay, good for him.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now I will go for the remedies. What you should do. So first of all, I told you he should go for the prosperity pendant number 5. Yes.
Okay.
And another thing, you should donate black color things on his name. Whatever you are doing now, will be doing on behalf of him. So donate black color things like black umbrellas, black shoes, black school bags on behalf of him monthly. Okay. Yes. You have to feed 8 poor people every Saturday.
Okay.
8 weeks. So feed 8 poor people with vegetarian food for 8 continuous weeks once a year up till 2020 on his name.
Alright.
And poor people, you will get it here also. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, constructions are going on. Baldia people, Natur, all these are poor people. You can donate here itself with vegetarian food.
Okay.
Okay. And plus, you should intake his water content. He's not what you say, he's lean or slim, so he's not improving his weight also.
Health. Yeah.
Health, yes. And let him drink water in silver glass.
Okay.
Always keep with him a square piece and a triangle piece of silver with him.
Okay.
Okay. And plus, take a flute. Let him touch the flute and take the flute. You can put sugar and coconut powder in the flute and bury it where there are lot of ants. Okay. Let him be vegetarian on Saturday and Thursday. And donate food and fruits to the orphanage on his name. I think these are the enough remedies. If you do on his name, I think he will improve in the studies also, as well as in his health also.
Can I know what about his future plans or future education?
What you want to do about his future education?
No, actually, he's in his degree studying over here.
Yeah.
So basically, like, what will be his future
Yeah.
regarding his
Yeah, you can put him in future studies also. Yes, the Buddham is very good. You can make him more studies. Like you can go for some post graduation or whatever it is.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
For future studies, you can send him. Correct, no problem at all. Only
Okay.
if he's away from you, he should be away from the bad companies. That he should take care.
Okay.
Because in the Shani Dasha it is possible. Like if he is away
Hmm.
from you, then he can go in some wrong companies and then spoil the future or spoil his studies also at the same time.
Okay, fine.
Yes, that you should take care of it.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank
oh,
you very
thank you.
much.
Thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling. Bye bye.
All right.
All right, doctor, we'll go to this SMS. We were talking actually we're reading an SMS from Mr. Ashok, so he's resent it.
Resend it?
Yes,
Okay, I think you have to give me again.
Yes, it's date of birth is 3/3/1987.
3/3/1987.
Time is 3:45 p.m.
3:45 p.m.
Yes.
So 15:45
Yes.
p.m. and it
And
is
place of birth is Kerala. He wants to know about his job and his marriage. Alright, in the meanwhile, if you want to meet Dr. Kumar, നേരിട്ട് പോയി കാണണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് താഴെ കാണിക്കുന്ന നമ്പറിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. The contact person is Mr. Kiran. The contact number is there right on your screen, 0502724157.
okay. He's Mesh Rashi and Ashwati Nakshatra.
Okay.
And I think he's listening, it is good. Okay, he has got Ardhashani from November 2014 to October 2017.
Okay.
And okay, his birth number 3, life path number 4. Again, if you add up, it is number 7. I think he should go for the prosperity pendant number 7. And the dasha which is going on is presently Surya Ravi dasha. And the Surya Ravi dasha is there. 1 minute. What is the question now?
He wants to know about his job and marriage.
Job and marriage. Okay. Okay, job stability will come only in next year, because this is again 2015 dasha is Surya, and he is not possible to get success in this year. And even I would advise him end of next year, end of 2016 would be quite favorable for him for getting married. And even the career stability will come in, maybe you can say January 2016. I would advise him some remedies for him. You can go for the yellow quartz crystal, prosperity pendant number 7. I have already told you. And be vegetarian on Saturday, Tuesday and Thursday. You should feed the pigeons every Tuesday with orange masoor dal. You should weekly every Tuesday, and that you should continue for at least 6 months, and then you can go for once in a month. Wash your feet before you go to bed in the night. Wear bathroom slippers while taking bath, and do not accept any white things as gift, and you should take care while eating outside also. And plus you should every morning look at the palm, look at the palm every morning as you get up. Just that palm, just rub it on your face and have some positive thinking or positive affirmation, and then you should get up from the bed. And even you can have salt water bath. You can also have salt water bath once a week. Once a week you can have it for 1 month. Again after 6 months, again continue this process, again have salt water bath once a week, again for 1 month. And the last thing I would advise you, you should avoid onion and garlic. You should avoid onion and garlic Saturday and Tuesday and Thursday. Thrice a week, no onion and garlic. Have quite vegetarian food for this. I think your career will be also good, and plus your marriage which will take place in next year will be quite successful. I think all the best to you.
Okay, so Ashok, ഈ ഒരു SMS-നുള്ള ഉത്തരം കേട്ടു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. Doctor, our time has come to wind up the show once again.
Okay,
Yes, so
fine.
thanks a lot for being
It's
here.
my pleasure to serve you.
Yes, and being of very help to our viewers today.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you.
Alright, അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഒരു എപ്പിസോഡ് വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാണ്. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ നാളെ വീക്കെൻഡ് ആണ്, അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലൊരു വീക്കെൻഡ് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സാറ്റർഡേ വീണ്ടും കാണാം 2 to 3 മിഴിയോരത്തിലൂടെ. Until then, it's me, Sherin. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Nandi Namaskaram.